The Old Testament is filled with patterns, ancient shadows that point forward to what the New Testament calls the Great Tribulation. It begins with the days of Noah, a world overflowing with violence, a warning from God, and a small faithful remnant preserved through judgment. Then the plagues of Egypt, a defiant ruler, a series of escalating judgments, and God protecting his people in the midst of it. These events echo the end-time judgments found in the book of Revelation. The book of Daniel speaks of a time of distress, a blasphemous ruler, and the promise of God's everlasting kingdom breaking through. The prophet Joel describes the day of the Lord, darkened skies, shaking nations, and a call to return to God, followed by restoration and an outpouring of his Spirit. And the story of Lot and Sodom reminds us of sudden judgment and God's ability to rescue the righteous. Together, these moments form a prophetic pattern: warning, crisis, judgment, deliverance, and restoration. What God revealed before helps us understand what is coming and reassures us that He always preserves His people.